So the first thing we need to do is to delete all of the default vertex colors that come with this imported model. We can do this by clicking Object Data Properties, going to the Vertex Color tab, and then selecting the hack_color file, and then just subtracting it. This is important to do this for all of the objects in this imported model because we don't want that color assignment to be present when we import the model into A-Frame. So now we're going to fast forward ahead. So next we need to assign new materials to all the new objects we've added to this model. We can do this by selecting the object and then going to the Shading tab. And we can create a new material by going to the Material Properties and selecting New, or clicking the New button here. And what this does, it will assign a default new material. And so now we want to change the color of the carbon bond here, so we're going to click on Color, Base Color, and change the V value to 0.5. And we're pretty satisfied with that. You can use the reference chart I left in the Google Doc for you. We can also see that we've created a new material called Material 0.001, and we want to assign this new material to all of the carbon bonds and spheres. So again, we can do that by selecting the object, going to Material Properties, clicking here, and then selecting Material 0.001. And we're going to do that for all the carbon bonds and carbon spheres. And we're going to fast forward ahead here. So don't forget to assign materials to all of your resonance rectangles. Here we're going to be assigning these resonance rectangles a gray color, in other words Material 0.001. For this resonance rectangle I've just selected here, we're going to create a new material because it's unassigned right now, and we're going to change the base color so that its HSV values match the default red sphere over there. So here we're going to change the S value to 0.75 and the V value to 1.0. And this is going to match the values that's already on the default materials on the the oxygen bonds and the oxygen atom spheres. And so we're going to assign this new material, Material 0.002, to the rest of the resonance rectangles. And with that, we have finished deleting all the default vertex colors, and we've assigned and edited new and pre-existing materials. And so we can change also the render viewport so that the environment shifts a bit, and we can see how different environments can affect the overall render. But essentially we are done, and this model is ready for export. So first, of course, we're going to save this Blender file by going to File, Save As, and then naming this file fumarate_v001, so it's Fumarate version 1, and we're going to save this Blender file. Next, we're going to export the GLTF by going to File, Export, and clicking GLTF 2.0, and again we're going to save this file as fumarate_v001 and export as GLTF 2.0. So again, we're going to upload all of these items to the drive: the Blender file, the GLTF file, and the Collada file. And that's all. Thanks for watching.